How to become a video editor. Becoming a video editor typically involves the following steps. 1. Gain education and experience in film, video production, or a related field. 1. A degree in film or video production is helpful, but not always required. 2. Build a portfolio of your work. 2. This will showcase your skills and demonstrate your experience to potential employers. 3. Learn the software and hardware used in the industry. 3. The most common software used by video editors include Adobe Premiere, Final Cut Pro, and Avid Media Composer. 4. Gain experience through internships or entry-level jobs. 4. These positions will provide you with hands-on experience and a chance to work with more experienced editors. 5. Network with other professionals in the industry. 5. Attend film festivals, industry events, and join professional organizations to meet and connect with other editors, directors, and producers. 6. Continuously update your skills by learning new techniques and software developments, also by being aware of market needs and willing to adapt as the industry evolves. It's also worth noting that a lot of the job is staying current on the software and technology being used in the industry. A growing trend is the importance of knowing motion graphics, visual effects and color correction, as those are some of the areas where video editors can add value to their clients.